How to get $100 Whataburger promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box. Over there type in Whataburger promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Whataburger. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Coupon Birds. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. 20% off, $30 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just click on the offer. You're gonna get the code, copy it, then head towards the website of Whataburger, log into your account, make your order and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're gonna get the discount in your order. Likewise, you can also give a try to these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for Whataburger. This way, you can easily get $100 Whataburger promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.